Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best ZoneFlex anti-fog is probably one of the most innovative solutions for anyone who wears glasses, goggles, or face shields. Say goodbye to the frustration of foggy lenses that obscure your vision during sports, work, or everyday activities. In this video, we'll dive deep into the ZoneFlex anti-fog, exploring its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This is the Pink Stuff, the miracle all-purpose cleaning paste. It's designed to tackle tough stains and grime. It delivers sparkling results on various surfaces. Perfect for kitchen and bathroom surfaces, tiles, glass, and stainless steel. This versatile paste is your go-to cleaner for almost any household mess. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. The Pink Stuff removes stubborn stains without scratching or damaging, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny. Simply apply a small amount to a damp cloth or sponge, rub gently, and rinse away. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. The Pink Stuff leaves your home not only spotless but also smelling great with its delightful rhubarb fragrance. What we like. This cleaning paste is a miracle worker for your home. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces, ensuring your home is spotless. If you are looking for an all-purpose cleaner that can handle almost any mess, you should consider this. What people say. It removes grime and cleans well without scratching. It removed grease from the oven, stains from the sink, and even brought back the sparkle to my pots and pans. With just a dab and gentle rubbing, much of the buildup lifted cleanly, leaving things noticeably brighter and closer to their original finish. Number 4. Gamer Advantage FogAway Anti-Fog Spray. Tired of foggy lenses? This solution provides fog-free performance with just one spray. It prevents fog buildup caused by various conditions, and a silicone-free formula goes on clear. This product is safe for all lens types, including those with special coatings. Use it on goggles, glasses, masks, helmets, and electronic devices. It's a versatile solution for clear vision. This defogger is formulated and manufactured in Michigan. It's a trusted brand used by first responders, safety professionals, and the military. It offers long-lasting performance. First, clean your lenses and wipe them dry. Then, spray the product on both sides, rub it in, and let it dry. Finally, buff off the excess with a microfiber cloth. Enjoy fog-free lenses for up to 24 hours. Gamer Advantage is dedicated to improving the well-being of all gamers. They are committed to the wellness of every gamer and will continue to invest in science that produces meaningful results. What we like. This spray delivers fog-free vision with just one application. It's safe for all lens types, so you don't have to worry about damaging your expensive glasses. If you are a gamer or someone who wears glasses and struggles with fog, you should consider this. What people say. Works great. We use it on both our eyeglasses and our goggles for riding. Sprayed a little inside and soaked up excess with the corner of a tissue. Let it dry and it did not fog up at all. Swam 40 laps and still good. This is a great product and works perfectly with swim goggles as well. Helps immensely when swimming as there is zero fogging. The coating lasts for at least a few swim sessions and is easy to apply. Number 3. 12WI Anti-Fog Motorcycle Helmet Shield. Do you struggle with foggy vision while riding? This innovative anti-fog film is designed to eliminate that problem. It ensures clear visibility, even in challenging weather conditions. This high-tech TAC film provides long-lasting anti-fog protection. It can last up to 200 seconds and has a lifespan of over 3 years, ensuring your safety on the road. The film also features an ultra-efficient water-repellent coating. It repels water and drops on contact, providing a crystal-clear view in the rain. This visor insert offers superior optical clarity without distortion. Made from high-quality materials, it provides riders with high-definition vision for the safest possible ride. The insert is made of durable, anti-scratch material and is easy to install. The adhesive backing keeps it securely in place, ensuring it won't fall out during your ride. With dimensions of 9.64 by 3.74 inches, it's designed to fit most standard motorcycle helmet visors. Be sure to measure your visor before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This anti-fog film is designed for motorcycle helmets, providing clear vision in various conditions. It has a long-lasting anti-fog effect and repels water. If you are a motorcycle rider who wants to improve your safety and visibility, you should consider this. What people say. The anti-fog insert adheres to the inside of your helmet visor. I just completed a 4,000-mile ride using this anti-fog insert riding in storms, cool weather and extremely hot weather, and it worked great. It works very well, completely unable to get this to fog in any condition, and it's pretty easy to install, but it can be a bit tricky. Number 2. LEMENT KN95 Black Face Mask. This is a non-medical KN95 face mask, designed for everyday use. It's made with multiple layers of fabric to provide a high level of filtration. The mask is designed to fit comfortably and securely. The mask features a 5-layer design, including 2 layers of non-woven cloth, 2 layers of melt-blown fabric, and a layer of hot air cotton. This construction ensures a filter efficiency of greater than or equal to 95%, helping to keep you safe in various environments. The 3D structure is designed to fit the human face shape, ensuring a tight and secure seal. Soft, elastic ear loops and an adjustable nose clip provide a comfortable fit, even during extended wear. It helps eliminate pressure on the ears. This mask is perfect for use in crowded public places and enclosed spaces. It's suitable for transport drivers, couriers, and anyone who wants to stay protected. You can use it at home, office, school, or outdoors. The lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to carry. The breathable material enhances comfort, making it easier to wear and breathe. It's a great choice when you want to stay safe among people. Please note that this is a KN95 mask and not an N95 mask. For more information about KN95 masks, please refer to the provided link before purchasing. This mask is designed to provide reliable protection for your daily needs. What we like. This KN95 face mask is designed for comfort and protection. It features a 3D structure and elastic ear loops for a secure fit. If you are looking for a comfortable and effective mask for crowded places, you should consider this. What people say. The material is soft, breathable, and comfortable enough to wear for long periods without irritation. It fits securely without feeling too tight, and the design is both stylish and practical. It sits comfortable on my face and it's easy to breathe. Number 1. Rain X630046 Interior Glass Anti-Fog. Are you tired of foggy windows? This product is designed to prevent fogging on your interior glass and mirrors. It will improve your visibility, making your drive safer. This product ensures clearer vision by reducing fog. It helps you see more clearly, whether you're driving your car or boating on the water. This anti-fog solution is suitable for both cars and marine vehicles. You can use it on your car's windshield and mirrors, or on the windows of your boat. Applying this product is simple and straightforward. It's designed for ease of use, ensuring you can quickly and effectively treat your glass surfaces. This is the 12-ounce version of the product. It's a reliable solution for keeping your glass surfaces clear and fog-free. What we like. This anti-fog spray is designed for interior glass and mirrors in both cars and boats. It reduces fogging and improves visibility. If you are looking for a solution to keep your windows clear, you should consider this. What people say. Worked like a charm. My windows were crystal clear this morning. This stuff works wonders as long as you can get all the hard water stains off your glass doors. Tried this product on the front windshield and it really works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.